Hi, everyone.
Thanks for joining us. Thanks for coming today, Steph.
Thanks so much for having me. You know I always love being here, Kim.
I love to have you here. We are here talking to you for the Beekeepers Buzz for the month of February in the Northeast region.
It sure is cold out here, so a big question when it's cold out is, what are my bees doing? Are they okay? And Kim, are you excited to find out how your bees are doing today?
I am excited, a little bit nervous. It's always a little nerve-wracking,
Yeah.
especially in February, to make sure your bees are okay. And February is a good month to feed if you plan on doing that.
Absolutely. So we are going to look at Kim's bees today with a fun little gadget that I picked up. And also, we are going to feed them, I suppose. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
So in February, you'd want to check food stores on a warmer day if possible. It's still pretty chilly here, but this is the best day we have in the next 10 days or so, right? So we figured we'd come out. You know, you can always hoist the bottom box if you want up and see if that's not really a good way for me to judge, though.
Sure.
So I'm just going to go ahead and feed. I only have a deep box with a medium, so I don't know if that's going to be able to get them through without supplemental feeding. So I have my feed. I brought it out ready to go, and we're just going to go ahead and open that top box, remove the hot box, and add the feed on top. But we're going to see what you have for us to try.
Yeah, I can't wait. So fingers crossed, those bees are doing great. I can't wait to see what happens, but it's kind of cold out here.
It is kind of cold, so we want to do this as quickly as possible. And I believe you're going to be going to your own apiary and
Yes, because we have two different setups, as you've seen if you've been following our journey this past winter. Kim overwintered hers with this setup, and I used a completely different setup with everything I just had on hand. So with that said, I also want to see what's going on in mine because I have a wrap on mine. So we're going to take a look at that and see how that works. So yeah, look forward to that too.
Okay, so come along with us as we feed our bees in February.
Absolutely. Come along with us. I see you're prepared with food if needed.
I have my food ready. In February, one of the most important things you want to do for your hive is to check their food stores.
So this is a great way to do it. Like, also I know we've talked about it too, is to do the lift test. And I know you tried that previously, and it was definitely time, but you're gonna take a peek, right?
I'm gonna just feed. So what you can do is you can definitely do the lift test where you would just hoist up the back, and we can show you that as well.
Okay.
I should put my gloves on, it's cold. It's very cold. So you could just take everything off and brush your snow off and lift from the back.
Careful.
Oh, that's heavy. Yeah, that's heavy for me. But see, that's why I don't always think that's a good judge for me, because what if everything's just frozen
What if you're really
down?
weak?
Exactly. If someone doesn't have strength, I know sometimes even holding cameras are difficult after a while. So then, of course, if you plan on feeding, you can just get everything ready and bring it out to your hive. That way you can save some time. So I have my winter patty here.
And it's truly a winter patty. I love how festive you made. Look at that, guys.
This is the only thing I could find was some Christmas tissue paper. So literally anything you have on hand that make it work. It'll be fine.
Make it work, Tim Gunn.
Yep, make it work. And then for our proper PPE, I will put gloves on. Obviously, it's at your discretion if you
And I would like to comment on that as well. I'm not, because I'm going to move a little bit away from the hive when she opens it up, and otherwise I would be fully suited. So once you're ready to go in, just let me know and I'll step away from you.
That's always a good idea. I wanted to wear my jacket, but I thought, I don't know where the bees are if you don't have an infrared device to check exactly where they are in the hive. And you don't know if when you lift off your top cover, if they're going to be right there. Chances are, if they are, they're going to be a little angry that you're opening it on a cold day. So they might come at you. I don't really want that.
I don't know if you said I'm not or not. That is pro winter feed, absolutely.
Oh, I don't. I might not have said it.
It's pro winter feed, yes.
Okay, so I'm going to do this as quickly as possible.
Okie dokie. Okay, let me back up like I said I would, and good luck, my friend.
Oh, they're up here.
See? And what does that mean, guys? It worked, that infrared device. Let me show them the bees real quick.
So I flattened my patty as best as I could because I don't have a shim in here, and put it on the top of the box so the bees are actually clustered up top. Not moving around too much. They're cold now, so I'm going to put my hot box back on. And that's that. So,
Well, thank you for letting us peek in again. That's so
exciting.
Cool. I'm so excited. Oh, you were saying bye to the bees. I'm sorry, I thought you were leaving. And I was, one came out. Look at the bottom.
Oh.
Go back in, sweet bee.
Oh, and now it's moving around.
Go back in. Do you guys see it?
Well, that was so much fun.
That was so.
Yeah.
Let's start it again. Okay.
Oh, wow, that was so much fun. I was a little bit nervous, I have to be honest, but I really enjoyed your infrared, what would you call
It's
that?
a thermal imager.
Oh, okay. Well, I really enjoyed using that. Steph showed us how it works. It was amazing. We got to see the bees clustered on top. We quickly added food, and we just tried to do it as quick as possible.
That was so much fun and exciting, and definitely a great little educational gadget. So great time doing that, and I'm so excited that at this point, successful overwintering.
Yes, they're doing great. They're clustered. They're in the top box. So thank you for watching with us. If you have used any of those devices, please let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your experience with it as well.
Absolutely. Also, if you haven't done so already, please go over to our website and check out our virtual beekeeping assistant, Bella. She's absolutely amazing. So if you have any questions and you don't feel like talking to an actual person, you can always talk to Bella. Also, check out our Mann Lake app. It's so much fun. Right now, there's not a whole lot in bloom, clearly, but when there is, the Mann Lake app and the plant identifier on there is a great way to see what's in bloom, what's poisonous to your bees, and you can take pictures and just instantly find out what you have there. So check that out.
That's true. And by the end of February, your bees should be out and about a little more often. The temperature should rise. You'll see them out on some cleansing flights, and they could be bringing in pollen at that point. So at that time, you could actually use the plant identifier to see what's going on and maybe what your bees are bringing.
For sure. I know we actually talked to one of our friends in a TikTok Live earlier who had bees right now, guys. Right now, with the snow, we have snow. Our friend had bees bringing in pollen.
Yes.
So it happens. It absolutely happens.
So let us know what you see in your hive at this time. We'd love to know what you're experiencing.
For sure. What about our Facebook group? You want to tell them about that?
Sure. Mann Lake has a Facebook group. It's called the Beekeeping Community. So if you'd like to go on there and join that, we'd love to have you. We're always talking about bees. There's lots of great advice in there. Very helpful, especially for a beginner all the way to somebody who's been doing it for years and years. So please come and join us.
Absolutely. Right now we're at 1.2K in the group and growing as we speak, and we'd love to see you there if you're not in there already.
Yes.
Okay, so I think that wraps it up. I'm freezing. So
let's go get warm.
Let's go get warm, and thanks for joining us.
See you next month.
NAHBE.
Toad, it was chilly out there.
So cold, Toad.
Yeah.
Thank you for keeping the fire going for us,
keeping
buddy.
me warm.
Kim and I had the most amazing opportunity, and I'm so glad that we were able to go to the North American Honeybee Expo. This past few weeks have been amazing, just getting ready to go and then actually getting there. And we had the opportunity to talk to some of the most amazing beekeepers.
You really did.
And we just wanted to thank you guys that took your time out of the very busy schedule that was happening. We know it was a lot because we were right there with you. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts for spending that time with us. It means so much. We do have a special thank you that we'd like to share at the end of this. So thank you so much.
Yes, we do appreciate it. And please check out all the vendors that we spoke with. We will have them listed. We also have videos we've been sharing, so please check out our other YouTube videos. There is a compilation of the vendors we spoke with. And I think we also wanted to mention Yappy and
Yappy
Jenna's
Bee
video,
Man.
which should be a little bit down. So please check that one out. That's a really, really beautiful video.
Was a great video. It was an awesome experience to actually be witness to what they're talking about in that video, which was a Hives for Heroes benefit that we were able to attend. What did you think about that?
That whole experience was amazing, and just everything that they're doing for the veterans. The auction was really amazing to watch. It was cool to see Jenna in action like that. It was like such a crazy, fun surprise that we all got to witness.
Yes.
So we don't want to give it away here on our video, but we'd love if you could check out that video with Yappy Bee Man and Jenna. And we do have some footage that Steph took of the auction, which was just really, really amazing. I don't think there was a dry eye in the place.
Absolutely not. Like, even thinking about it now, it's just so inspiring and incredible to know that we were there. That is, see, I'm like tearing up thinking about it. But anyway, that was amazing. So Hives for Heroes, they are a great organization helping our heroes out there. Check them out. They do have a YouTube page, I'm pretty sure. Check them out. They'd love for you to go join and see what they're doing.
Yes,
take
please
a look.
support them.
Please.
It's really great what they're doing.
Absolutely. That was a great time.
Yeah. We hope to see you next. We hope to see you next year at the North American Honeybee Expo 2027. I know there's already plans being made. You know, what could we do differently? And also to add on to that.
For sure. So this past in 2026, Mann Lake implemented an incredible gift to everyone, really, with the shipping station, which was just so much fun to see in action. And that was pretty much if you purchase something at NAHBE, regardless of who you purchased it from, whether it be us or the vendor right next door to us, Mann Lake was ready to ship that out to your home. So you didn't have to carry everything back with you. And I heard it was a great success. So if you're going to the North American Honeybee Expo next year, look for that shipping center. Sarah and John and the rest of the crew were just absolutely on top of it. Carol, Cindy, and just all over it. Jen.
I'm sure we're missing people, and I'm so sorry.
Sorry, but they were just such an incredible crew and got everything shipped out to the customers. We saw pictures of customers who had their items before they were even able to get home because it took a few days for them to get back home, but their North American Honeybee Expo purchases were waiting for them.
That's really cool. Yeah, we were surprised by the amount of people that were excited by it, but also the fact that there were many that didn't know. And we just wanted to make sure that you were aware of that, and the fact that Mann Lake was shipped, or the the shipping center would ship regardless of where you bought your purchases at, which I think is really, really cool. So I think some people didn't realize that. It didn't just have to be Mann Lake purchases. It could be from any of the vendors there.
And it doesn't have to be just shipped here within the United States. We had people reaching out asking, can this be done with our Canada customers too? And it absolutely can be.
That's great.
So yeah, what a great implement and resource that you have to look forward to.
That's
for
really
sure.
Cool. Let us know if you have any comments about that or any questions that we could try to answer for you.
For sure. So that was such a great experience. And again, thank you to everybody who really made our videos and content while we were there just so amazing. It was all because of you guys, and I hope you guys get a chance to view. Kim and I have a video, should be just a little bit below this one, with all of our fun customers that we interacted with as well. We saw some of you guys there too.
Yeah, it was great seeing you.
Yep.
So it's really been a lot of fun, and we thank you so much for always watching and supporting us.
Absolutely. So please be sure to subscribe and like and comment below. And I think that's pretty much all I had. I am warm. I am toasty. And thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.